All right.
Hello children, you're welcome to Basic 3 class, Civic Education. Today we are going to look at the topic, description of national symbol. Description of national symbol. In your previous class, we discussed about national symbol. And we said that national symbol are those signs and objects that are used to represent a nation. Today, we are going to describe them one after the other. And let's take number 1, the national flag. National flag. The Nigerian national flag is made up of 2 colors. Just as you can see on the screen, the green color and the white color. The green color on the national flag stands for abundant natural wealth of Nigeria. It stands for abundant natural wealth of Nigeria. Nigeria is blessed with many mineral resources. Nigeria is also blessed with good soil for agriculture. We have many mineral resources in Nigeria, such as coal, oil, we have iron ore, we have zinc, etc. These are the natural resources. Nigeria, like I said before, that Nigeria is also blessed with good soil for agriculture. That means in Nigeria, we can produce many things. The yam you eat, the rice you eat, all those things are produced in Nigeria. And it is as a result that we have a good soil. And that is what the green color in the Nigerian flag represents. Now let us look at the white color. The white color represents peace. The white color represents peace. Nigeria is made up of different ethnic groups that have different cultural practices, different languages. But despite that, they are in peace. They believe in one thing, and that is peace. And that is what the white color in the Nigeria flag represents. Now, it may interest you to know that Nigerian flag was developed by a man called Michael Taiwo Akunkumi in the year 1959. But Nigeria adopted it as her national flag on 1st October 1960 during their Independence Day celebration. Next is the Nigeria coat of arms. The Nigeria coat of arms. The Nigeria coat of arms represents the Nigerian logo. You can see it on the screen, how it looks like. It's the Nigerian logo, which means every Nigerian product, every Nigerian government product must have the logo. Now let us describe the Nigerian coat of arms. If you look at it, you will see the eagle there. The eagle stands for strength of Nigeria. The eagle on the Nigerian coat of arms stand for strength of Nigeria. If you watch very well, you also see two white horses at the both sides. You see two horses at both sides. This side and the other side. The white horses represent dignity and pride of Nigeria. It represents dignity and pride of Nigeria. It shows respect for Nigeria. It represents respect for Nigeria. If you watch very well, you also see a black shield. The black shield represents a fertile soil because Nigeria has a good soil for agriculture. So the black shield there represents a fertile soil in Nigeria. Then we also see a silver colored letter Y. A silver colored letter Y on the Nigerian coat of arms. The silver colored letter Y represents the two major rivers in Nigeria. That is River Benue and River Niger. You can see the other one is coming from the other side and the other one is coming from the other side. The Y letter is showing that the River Niger and the River Benue meet at a particular place. So the Y color there represents the River Niger and River Benue meeting together. So another one is the green and white bands. Green and white bands. The green and white bands on the shield stand for vegetation and beauty of Nigeria. It stands for vegetation and beauty of Nigeria. That is what the green and white bands on the Nigerian coat of arms represent. We have another thing in the Nigerian coat of arms, that is the yellow flower. The yellow flower is the Nigeria national flower. That flower there represents Nigeria national flower. And beneath it, you see the Nigeria motto, which is unity and faith, peace and progress. It shows that Nigeria is one body. It shows that Nigeria is a beautiful country. And it shows that Nigeria makes progress. That is why you can see many things that you have not been seeing. Most of them are coming into place because Nigeria is what? Progressing. Now let us also look at another symbol, the Nigerian currency. The Nigerian currency. Yes, we have Nigerian currency. We have told you in our previous lesson that the currency is a means of transaction. You use it to buy and sell your goods and services. The Nigerian currency is the Nigerian money. It is accepted by Nigeria as a legal tender, which they use in transaction. You can see that Nigerian currency is made of different notes. The 1,000 naira note, 500 naira note, the 200 naira notes, the 100 naira note, the 50 naira note, 20 naira note, 10 naira note, and 5 naira note. You can use the currency to buy anything you want to buy in Nigeria. The next is the Nigeria Constitution. The Nigeria Constitution. The Nigeria Constitution contains the rules and regulations that guide the entire country. It contains the rules and regulations that guides the entire country. That means everything we should do and everything we should not do are contained in the Nigerian Constitution. And as a good citizen of Nigeria, you must obey the rules and regulations contained in the Nigerian Constitution. And lastly, the maize. Nigerian maize is a symbol of authority in the House of Representatives, in the State House of Assembly, and in the Nigerian House of Senate. So, it is a symbol of authority, and without the maize, there will be no sitting in the House, and there will be no decision that will be taken in the House. And that's the much we can take for now. See you. Bye.